Hello everyone, Ollie here with another review, and today we have the new auto draw refillable pod kit from Innokin, the ArcFire. We'll be showing you how to use this device along with the features that come with it. So join us as we unbox this fantastic pod device and see what it's all about. As I open this up, I would like to talk about what you get inside the box. First off, you get a micro USB charging cable, which will charge your vape up to 75% in just 30 minutes, meaning that you don't have to wait for a long time to get back to vaping after the battery runs out. And of course, you get the pod device itself, which comes in multiple different colours. We have the green forest colour here today, which looks stunning with its two-tone finish and curved edges, making it look modern and simplistic. And lastly, you get a quick start guide with simple instructions on how to use the ArcFire. However, we'll be going through this later on. Like I mentioned before, the ArcFire is a pod device. The pod has a coil embedded inside, so once you lose the flavour of your liquid, you'll have to change your pod to a new one. Pods come in 1.2 ohms and 0.8 ohms of resistance, and a choice of 2ml and 3ml capacity, meaning that there are a lot of options to suit any vapor. As the ArcFire is a beginner-friendly device, filling up the pod is very simple. Firstly, take out the pod from the device and pull back the rubber tab to reveal the hole. Then, pick your e-liquid of choice. I chose Vsavi's Platinum Cherry flavour, as I find it works great in this device. Simply fill up the pod with the liquid and leave it to soak into the coil for 5 to 10 minutes. And finally, push the rubber back into the hole, and after that, you'll be ready to vape. Now let's talk about some key features of the Innokin ArcFire. The device has one button, only used to check the battery and to turn the device on and off. 3 clicks to power on the device, 1 click to check the battery with the LED indicator, and then 3 clicks to power off. The LED indicator lights are a fantastic feature, as you can tell how much battery is left inside of the device with just the push of a button. 3 lights mean there is plenty of charge, whereas 1 light means that it's close to running out. Speaking of charging, this device has a pass-through feature, meaning that you can use the ArcFire while it is still charging. However, the battery is quite big at 650 mAh, meaning that you'll have plenty of charge to vape throughout the day without needing a charger. And one last thing, I would also like to mention that the coils last 3 times longer than standard coils, which is a great bonus. After using the Innokin ArcFire, here are my thoughts. The fantastic coils inside allow for a smooth vape with some great flavour and cloud volume. The device is very easy to use, making it a brilliant choice for first timers or vapers who just want a simple device. Overall, the ArcFire is a pleasure to use and vape from. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more vaping news. See you next time.